Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Do you ever feel too lazy to even start your day? You know you have goals, dreams, and responsibilities, but somehow your body just refuses to move. You tell yourself, "I'll start in 5 minutes," and 5 hours later, you're still scrolling your phone. Today, on Modern Talk English, we'll uncover why you're lazy, and more importantly, how to fix it fast. Remember this, you're not lazy. Your mind is just tired of confusion. Let's begin the story of Ryan, a young man who always wanted to change his life, but never found the energy to begin. Every morning, Ryan wakes up late. He scrolls through social media, watches random videos, and tells himself, "I'll start working after lunch." But when the afternoon comes, his motivation is already gone. He isn't lazy because he doesn't care. He's lazy because he feels lost. No plan, no clear goal, too many distractions. Laziness isn't about being weak. It's your mind saying, greater than, "I don't know where to start. I'm afraid of failing again. Maybe tomorrow will be easier." But the truth, tomorrow never comes for those who wait. Ryan's laziness wasn't the problem. His direction was. He had energy. He just didn't know where to use it. One evening, Ryan meets his old friend Zoya, a life coach and English teacher. They sit in a quiet cafe. "Ryan, what's wrong? You used to be full of dreams." "I still have dreams, Zoya. I just can't start. I feel lazy all the time." "You're not lazy, Ryan. You're just stuck in your comfort zone. Let me tell you something powerful." There are 3 golden rules to destroy laziness. 1. Start with small actions. Even washing a cup or opening a notebook is progress. 2. Remove distractions. For 30 minutes daily, turn off your phone. 3. Visualize success. See the future you want. Every morning. Small actions? That sounds too simple. Yes. But laziness dies when you move. Even a little step kills the giant. The next morning, Ryan wakes up early. He doesn't feel ready, but he remembers Zoya's words. He opens his notebook and writes one sentence. Greater than, "Today, I'll do one small thing." He studies English for 10 minutes. Then he takes a short walk. That's it. But something magical happens. He feels proud. The next day, he adds another small step. 15 minutes of reading. Then he starts a morning routine. Within a week, Ryan feels alive again. His energy grows, his focus sharpens, and his phone becomes less important. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. You don't wait to feel ready. You act, and readiness follows. Ryan learns that action creates energy. The more you move, the stronger your mind becomes. Now, he doesn't call himself lazy anymore. He calls himself a work in progress, and that's all that matters. If you too feel stuck or lazy, remember, it's not the end. Here are 5 daily habits to beat laziness and start strong. 1. Sleep on time. A lazy morning begins with a late night. 2. Start small. Do one simple task right now, even if it's just opening your book. 3. Reward effort, not perfection. Progress is more important than results. 4. Keep your phone away for 30 minutes when working. 5. Repeat positive words every day. I can. I will. I must. You are not lazy. You are untrained. Train your mind like a muscle, and laziness will disappear. Laziness fades when purpose rises. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You create it. Start today. Move your body. Take one small step. Because every time you move forward, you remind the world that you're alive and powerful. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Talk English. Here, we help you grow, not just in English, but in life. Remember, you're not lazy. You're just one good habit away from greatness.